Hello everyone and welcome back to our dumper series, and with me today we've got our 550 high tip track dumper from Kubota available at WHC Hire. This video is dedicated to ensuring you get your machinery started the first time round, so I'm going to go over the startup sequence to get this machine up and running. To do so we need to go to the back of the machine and you're going to need your operator's key. Okay then, let's get this machine up and running for you. Take out our operator's key and pop it into the ignition. Then on the right hand side we need to make sure that the throttle is all the way upwards towards the turtle in the starting position. And then on the left hand side our choke is engaged into the starting position, and we're going to close that choke by pulling that red lever down. Finally, the foot plate, you just need to release that below the console so we can jump onto the machine ready to start it. Once we've done that, we'll grab our PPE and then we can jump onto the machine using 3 points of contact, and then we can turn the engine on by turning the key to position 1. Once the engine has ticked over for a short while, you can disengage the choke, and now the engine is ready to operate. To increase the revs, just lower the throttle on the right hand side and you can begin operating the track dumper. Once you've finished using the track dumper, step off it using 3 points of contact and you can turn the ignition off. And then when you're ready to stall the machine, simply lift the foot plate up again so it locks into position. And there you go everyone, that is the correct startup procedure for one of our 550 kilogram high tip track dumpers from WHC Hire. Hopefully this video has been useful and informative for you to help you get your machine up and running the first time round. Thank you ever so much for joining me. If you get into any other problems using this equipment, feel free to scan the QR code that you'll find located on the machine for more free step-by-step tutorials. Thanks again for joining me, and until the next video, take care and bye-bye for now.